So I am here in the Courtyard by Marriott in Oceanside, California. Walking in, here is the room. You got a small little refrigerator. You got a coffee station type thing here. Nice little decoration. Oh, that might be a cool place to put like your luggage and stuff. I am in a king room. So this is a king bed. You have your phone here. What I thought was really cool because I'm an elite member. These key cards are really cool. I like them. Anyway. So you have a nice little living room area. What I did notice was they have like a plug-in right here that you can use. And over here, one thing, that's not a lot of space, but it has a nice little nightstand and everything else there too. There is no USB ports on either side, so make sure you bring your own outlets. And then right here is your closet and stuff as well. It is a smaller TV than you're kind of used to when you're in a room like this. Kind of wish it was a little bit bigger, but oh well. And then you have your LAN cables and all that kind of stuff. You have a phone, a nice little desk. This desk does pull out too as well. You got drawers right there. One thing I did like, trying to figure out how to work the curtain. Got it. Ow. Is look at that view. The pool is a little small, but you have a nice little like gazebo, pergola area, and everything else. It's really nice. You can kind of see like the whole corporate buildings and everything too. I will say I was stationed in Camp Pendleton, and this place is pretty close to Camp Pendleton. So I think a lot of military families will probably come here and everything else. But this place is completely different. Completely different than what I'm used to. When we lived here roughly about 12 years ago. So obviously things changed in 12 years, but that's crazy. I like that painting. It looks like Oceanside Pier. Wow. That's really cool. And then kind of we just want to kind of shoot back this way to the room. It's not horrible. I believe this TV pulls out. It does. Now, moving on over here to the bathroom. Kind of your generic bathroom. Walking in. The door doesn't not want to stay open. So you have like a little echo. It looks like they don't use Paul Mitchell. That's one thing that I always liked about coming here with Paul Mitchell and all that kind of stuff. I love their soap. It smells like lemons. Oh, that's cool too. That looks like Oceanside Ocean. That's cool. Amber's gonna be so mad. She wants to stay here and be here because these are some of her best memories as a married couple. Don't tell her. But we did have a lot of fun when I lived here for 2 years. But this is it. So if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel that is out of Nebraska for the time being. I say that because we are looking at moving here pretty soon. Not sure where exactly. But if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Let me know if you've stayed here or in a place like similar to this, or you're stationed here in Camp Pendleton. Because all in all, guys, this is not a bad hotel. But we hope you enjoy this room review, and yeah. it's in the morning. Kind of just reviewing my night. The room actually stayed nice and cool. We've been in a couple hotel rooms where it just gets really hot, probably about like 4 or 5 hours after you fall asleep and you wake up just drenched in sweat. It was actually the same temperature the whole entire time. It was really nice. The bed was comfortable. I bring my own pillow when I travel. I didn't do that today. I don't like the down pillows because my neck always wakes up hurting. But that's my only gripe. Everything else is really nice. The hotel is nice. I mean, it was only for a night, but it's not bad. I mean, I like the color scheme. It looks updated, except for the furniture. Marriott. Just kidding. But no, everything was nice. I mean, this couch is comfortable. Everything's pretty nice. So yeah, there's not much else I can say about this hotel stay. I think everything was really, really good. It could have been, yeah, nothing negative, nothing really positive either. Just because I got here late at night and went to bed, so I didn't really get to experience a lot of the amenities. But if you were to come here to visit family, or if you're PCSing in as a military family, this wouldn't be a bad place to stay for a few nights while you're waiting for housing or whatever. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for coming to this channel, coming to this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this helps you out. We always try to give like our own point of view, because pictures always one way, but seeing it on video, you actually get to see maybe if the pictures are true or not. Other than that, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.